Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Format Painter in Google Docs. This incredibly useful tool allows you to quickly copy the exact formatting from one piece of text and apply it to another. Imagine you've spent time perfecting a heading's font, size, color, and bolding. Instead of manually replicating those steps, Format Painter does it in just a few clicks, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistency across your document. To apply formatting once, begin by selecting the text that already has the desired style. This could be a word, a sentence, or even an entire paragraph. Once selected, locate the Format Painter icon on your Google Docs toolbar. It looks like a paint roller. Click it once. Your cursor will change, indicating the tool is active. Now, simply click or drag over the text you wish to format, and the style will be instantly applied. What if you need to apply the same formatting to several different parts of your document? Instead of clicking the Format Painter icon once, double-click it. This action locks the tool, keeping it active so you can click and apply the formatting to as many separate text selections as you need. When you are finished applying all the styles, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard to deactivate the Format Painter and return to normal editing. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of Format Painter. It's excellent for maintaining consistent styles across your document, whether for headings, subheadings, or bulleted lists. Remember that it copies not just character formatting like bold or italics, but also paragraph styles such as line spacing and indentation. Always double-click the icon if you plan to apply the formatting more than one time, making your workflow much more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.